Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to view spectrum in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your workspace, you'll need to select the audio you want to analyze. Go ahead and double-click on the audio track to select it entirely. If you only want to view the spectrum for a specific portion, simply highlight that particular section instead of selecting the whole track. This gives you the flexibility to focus on exactly the part of your audio that matters most to you. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see your audio track name displayed. Right beside it, you'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional track options. This menu contains various visualization and control settings that let you customize how you view and interact with your audio. From the menu that appears, click on Spectrogram. This will instantly change your view to display a frequency over time spectrogram. This visualization is incredibly useful because it shows you the different frequencies present in your audio and how they change throughout the recording. You can see low frequencies at the bottom and high frequencies at the top, with the intensity of each frequency shown through color variations. This makes it easy to identify different sound components, spot issues, or analyze the overall frequency distribution of your audio. Alternatively, if you want to view a more detailed spectrum with enhanced resolution, you can adjust the spectrogram settings. In the upper left corner of Audacity, click on Edit to open the main menu, then select Preferences. This will open a comprehensive settings window where you can customize various aspects of how Audacity operates. In the Preferences window, locate the left sidebar and click on Spectrograms. This section is specifically dedicated to controlling how your spectrogram displays and what level of detail it shows. Look for an option labeled Window Size. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the list that appears, select Most Narrow Band. This setting increases the frequency resolution of your spectrogram, allowing you to see finer details in the frequency content of your audio. It's particularly helpful when you need to analyze specific frequency components or identify subtle patterns in your recording. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes and close the Preferences window. Your spectrogram will now display with the updated settings, showing you a more detailed frequency analysis. And that's it. You've successfully configured Audacity to view and customize the spectrum of your audio, giving you powerful visual tools for audio analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.